What are you doing now? I am fanning with sheet of paper. What are you doing now? I am braiding hairstyle for girl. What are you doing now? I am waxing my legs. What are you doing now? I am rolling the dice. What are you doing now? I am popping the bubbles. What are you doing now? I am flipping a coin. What are you doing now? I am freezing the vegetables. What are you doing now? I am crumpling a paper. What are you doing now? I am ziplining over the trees. What are you doing now? I am rafting down the rapids. What are you doing now? I am kayaking down the river. What are you doing now? I am hiking up the mountain. What are you doing now? I am skiing down the slopes. What are you doing now? I am skateboarding at the park. What are you doing now? I am camping with my friends. What are you doing now? I am ice skating on a lake. What are you doing now? I am swimming in the ocean. What are you doing now? I am dribbling a ball. What are you doing now? I am throwing a baseball. What are you doing now? I am lifting the dumbbells. What are you doing now? I am jumping over a fallen tree. What are you doing now? I am waving my hands. What are you doing now? I am clapping my hands. What are you doing now? I am tearing a paper. What are you doing now? I am running a marathon. What are you doing now? I am shaking the cup.